This is an RER train, and for anybody who is going to visit Paris, France, or move to France, I mean Paris, the greater Paris region, or Paris itself, at some point you're going to have to use the RER system, likely. And is this my train or not? You see, I don't know. Est-ce que c'est pour Stade de France? Stade de France? Stade de France?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Merci.
Madame?
Oui.
C'est Stade de France.
Ok, le prochain arrêt c'est où?
Le prochain arrêt, donc, ça va prendre Villepinte,
Ouais.
c'est Rombaudot, et puis Aulnay-sous-Bois, puis direct
Merci,
Paris.
merci. Je changerai peut-être à Aulnay.
Ouais.
Ouais. Merci. Yeah. I just got on this train and I wasn't close enough to see the panel, the screen, and the other screens were out of order. And a guy told me that this train is going to Stade de France, and then another guy told me, well, no, it's not. But he told me in French where I could change. And you have music sometimes on these trains. So since it's raining and there's no shelter here to speak of, which is typical for the RER system, I'm going to take this down a couple of stops to Aulnay-sous-Bois, which is more of a central point. But believe me, if you're a tourist here or you're new to the city, the RER system is not very user-friendly. And I also think it's overpriced and it's not good value for your money. If you buy round trips, the price is different. If you buy 10 at a time, the price is different and probably much cheaper, and they don't make that information available. You have to know, you have to check, you have to figure it out, and it's not fun. All right, see you later.